Are you looking to stop your Zoho Books billing but aren't sure where the settings are hidden? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to cancel your Zoho Books subscription or downgrade to the free plan so you can stop those recurring charges. Managing your business software subscriptions can be tricky, specifically when you need to navigate the Zoho Store. Whether you want to shut down your organization completely or simply move to the free tier to keep your records accessible, this guide will walk you through everything a super admin needs to know. Before we dive into the steps, please hit that like button if this tutorial helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more software management guides. Let's get started. To begin, you need to access your subscription control panel. Log into your Zoho Books dashboard and navigate to the top right corner. Click on the gear icon, which opens your settings menu. From the first column of the settings panel, select Manage Subscription. This will automatically open a new tab redirecting you to the Zoho Store where your payment data resides. Now, if you want to keep your historical data but no longer want to pay for a premium plan, the best option is to downgrade to the free plan. To do this, hover over your current plan card and click the Change Plan button. A list of available tiers will appear, and you should select the free plan option. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the change. It is important to remember that your paid features will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, so you won't lose access to those tools immediately. On the other hand, if you are looking to completely close your account and remove your organization from Zoho, you will stay within that Zoho Store management page. Look for the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots, or search for the link that says Cancel Subscription. Once you click this, the system will ask you for a reason for your cancellation. Please be very careful here, as confirming this action may render your data inaccessible once your current billing cycle finishes. Always ensure you have exported any critical financial reports you might need before hitting that Confirm button. Once you confirm, your subscription status will update. Taking these steps ensures you aren't paying for tools you are no longer using. If you found this quick walkthrough useful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more updates on business tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.